the
Pump. Oh,
pumpkin.
shoot. You start again.
It's the
Oh, it is my. Sorry.
It's the
Pumpkin
festival.
Just say festival, okay?
I said festival.
Okay, don't scream it. Just yell it.
It's the
Say it normal. This is gonna be a long video.
It's the
Pumpkin
festival.
It's the Pumpkin Festival today. So my neighbor and I put on this neighborhood pumpkin festival every year. This is going to be our 7th year doing it. We get the whole neighborhood together. We have games and food and an outdoor movie and cotton candy and popcorn, and it's a lot of fun. A lot of work though. I gotta run to my parents' house and pick up the cotton candy machine and a bunch of other stuff, and it's gonna be a crazy day. Okay, first I gotta get a car wash because my windshield, you can't tell, is filthy. Our car wash is fun. I always loved going through the car wash when I was a kid. Look at the steam coming off the car. It's a cold day. Okay, off to my parents now. It's snowing leaves out here. Look at all these leaves. Oh my gosh. Stuff from my parents' house. One thing down, about 1 million to go. Greenhouse to get some pumpkins because you can't really have a pumpkin festival without pumpkins, so gotta pick out some pumpkins. But I'll say it again. When I lost my identity to an extent, when I started having babies, I gained a whole new identity. So it wasn't necessarily a bad thing. I think it was a good thing in a lot of ways, and a very necessary thing in a lot of ways. And part of that new identity that I got was I really started getting into throwing big parties and things like this pumpkin festival. So it was a good thing. It was a good thing. And a lot of that identity that I created as a mom is going to live on. I am sure. So, not always a bad thing to lose your identity a little bit if you're gaining something beautiful in return. It is coming together. Got a memory game,
Well, he's got
beanbag toss game,
I just
pumpkin
said
ring
we'll
toss
get some
game,
guns if we see that horrible one. Hey, again, okay?
pumpkin bowling with little pumpkins.
Okay.
This is so cute.
What other monster should I go?
I guess I never told you little things